Today I will show you my easiest way to make a cabbage curry. But hearing the word easiest, please don't think that it won't be delicious. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. We need medium potatoes. I usually wash the potatoes after cutting them and then pat them dry with a kitchen towel to avoid any splatters when they hit the hot oil. Next comes the cabbage, and if you're thinking why I am using just half a cabbage, it's because this cabbage is huge, so half will be enough for us. Pan on medium heat. 2 tablespoons of oil. We need a dried bay leaf and a dried red chilli, the seeds of which I have taken out so that the curry doesn't become overly hot. As soon as the oil turns hot, lower the heat to low and add black mustard seeds. And then cumin seeds. Then the bay leaf and the dried chilli enters the pan. Roast the seeds for a few seconds on low heat and allow them to splutter to release their flavor, but make sure they do not burn. There is nothing worse than burnt seeds. It will make your whole curry taste bitter and horrible. Then the potatoes enter the scene. Fry the potatoes on medium-high heat for a few minutes. Then lid on till the potatoes turn golden brown. From time to time, uncover, give a stir and cover again. The potatoes have taken this golden brown color now, and this is the color that we are looking for. Next comes grated ginger. Stir for a few seconds. And then the cabbage tumbles down. Add salt at this point, which helps the cabbage to wilt down. Now with your spatula, mix the cabbage along with the potatoes. Next comes the fun part. I have cut tomatoes into halves. Just lay them on the cabbage with the cut side facing down. And then cover on low heat and keep it like this for about 8 minutes. Okay guys, 8 minutes done. Lift off, and the first thing you need to do is to check on the potatoes. Just press one potato like this, and if you see it is still not tender, then cover again for a few more minutes. My potatoes have turned tender. Next, using a pair of tongs or fork, take out the skins of the tomatoes. See how easily they come off? Now a series of ingredients parade down to the pan. A teaspoon of oil, stems of coriander leaves, which are totally optional, frozen green peas that I thawed out, curry powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, 2 whole Thai green chilies, and a sprinkle of sugar to balance the flavors. And then with your spoon or spatula, just mash the tomatoes. Isn't it easy? No blender work required for pureeing. I find this method so easy. And one less thing to wash, which I think is great. Now just stir everything on high heat. Though I used curry powder, it's not that you have to use the same. You can use ground cumin or ground coriander, or you can even choose to leave out all of them, except turmeric powder though, because you know that's an essential component for Indian cuisine. Everything is cooked here, so all you need to do is fry on high heat till everything is well coated with those spices. Finally, garam masala powder goes in to perfume the dish. And then a generous amount of coriander leaves. Do not like coriander leaves? Then do not add them, or add any greens according to your preference. And that's it. If that is not easy, then I do not know what is. I serve this with hot steamed rice along with the vegetable dal that I make in my pressure cooker all the time. Please smash that like button if you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more recipes like this, then please click on the video showing up on the screen. Bye bye.